You just got your brand new Canon PIXMA MG3620 printer and you want to get it set up? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete setup process to get your Canon printer connected to Wi-Fi using your smartphone. If you get stuck along the way or have questions, just call the numbers on your screen and our team will help. Otherwise, let's dive in and get your printer all set up.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Make sure your printer is turned on. Go to its control panel and press the stop button one time. After that, press and hold the wireless button. Keep holding it until you see the power button start flashing. This activates the Wi-Fi setup mode. Once the power button is flashing, go ahead and press the color button and then press the wireless button one more time. Now look at the lights on your printer. You should see the green power light staying on steadily and the Wi-Fi light start blinking blue. Now let's move over to your phone and complete the connection process. I'm using an iPhone for this demonstration, but if you have an Android phone, the steps are pretty much the same. Grab your smartphone and look for the Settings app. Tap on it to open your device settings. In Settings, find Wi-Fi and make sure the toggle is turned on. Once you turn it on, your phone will start scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Wait a moment for the list to appear and you should see your printer's Wi-Fi network show up. Look through the list of networks and find the one with your Canon printer's name on it. Once you spot it, tap on it to connect your phone directly to your printer. Now that you're connected to the printer, it's time to open the Canon Print app on your phone. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and download it first, then open it. When the Canon Print app opens, you'll see a pop-up asking if you want to search for available printers. Go ahead and tap Yes to start the search. The app will look for your printer on the network. After a moment, a list of Wi-Fi networks name will show up on your screen. This time, you need to find and tap on your home Wi-Fi network name, not the printer's direct network name, but the actual Wi-Fi network you use for internet. Select it and tap OK. Your phone will now ask you to enter your home Wi-Fi password. Type it carefully. Make sure you get it exactly right because passwords are case sensitive. Once you've entered your password and confirmed it, you'll see a notification pop up that says settings information has been sent. Just tap on OK to acknowledge it and keep moving forward. Next, the register printer screen will appear showing different Canon printer series. Look for the printer PIXMA MG3620 series and tap on it to register your printer. After registration, you'll see "You're all set" screen. Your Canon PIXMA MG3620 is now successfully connected to your home Wi-Fi and ready to print wirelessly from your phone.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.